Hi, it's Beth DeForge with Castle Rock Realty, and you are at 28 Jaz Circle here in Reedsburg. It is in the Ernstmeyer subdivision, which is always sought after. We are standing in the main level living room. It has ample natural light, big windows. I've got a gas fireplace over my shoulder here. You can warm up in the winter nights and cozy up with that. There is opens right open to the dining room and also overlooks the back deck right onto the yard. Then if you come into the kitchen, great layout here. You've got an extra pantry, gas stove, and imagine your nights having dinner out on this deck overlooking this level backyard where the kids could play. Not only does this home have open concept living, it also has everything you need on the main level. Come check it out. We got a full bathroom with laundry, another bedroom, a second bedroom, and even a third bedroom right here on the main floor. If you'd like to check out this home, call me at 715-892-4775 and ask about 28 Jaz Circle.